Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some mango fried chicken. Yeah, so here I have some leg and thigh in my bowl right there. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay? So first, I'm gonna start off by just adding just a pinch of salt to my chicken. Then I'm just gonna take my clean hands and just massage all that salt all over on my chicken. Like so. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna blend all of my seasoning together. Just make sure it is all combined, okay? So after my season has blend together, I'm just gonna take my hands and just sprinkle some of my seasoning all over on my chicken, okay? And guys, do not use all of your seasoning, okay? Because I'm gonna use my remaining seasoning for my flour mixture, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, that's the amount of seasoning that I'm gonna leave back. So I'm just gonna take my hands and just massage all that seasoning all over on my chicken. Just make sure everything is all combined because you want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor. Yeah? So my chicken is all seasoning and that's what it look like. So now I'm gonna make my flour mixture. So here I have 1.5 cup of plain flour in my bowl right there. So now guys, as you can see, I'm adding my remaining seasoning that's left, okay? So I'm just gonna take my fork and just make sure everything is all blend, okay? So guys, I'm gonna add 2 eggs to my chicken. Then I'm just gonna take my hands and just massage it all around, okay? So guys, the reason why I add the eggs to my chicken is because the egg is gonna make the flour to stick on the chicken and it's gonna make the chicken to be nice and crispy. So that's the reason why, okay? So now I'm gonna add at least half cup of milk to my chicken. And I'm also gonna add at least quarter cup of hot pepper sauce. And guys, what you can do, you can leave your chicken to marinate for at least 1 hour or even overnight for a better result. But 1 hour is perfect, okay? Or you can just fry it straight away. It's still gonna taste good, trust me. So guys, as you can see, I've got my chicken and I also have my flour mixture and I also have a plate on the side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my chicken to my flour mixture. Just make sure you dip it, guys. So when you add it to the flour mixture, it is all stick to the chicken, okay? Just take your hands and just coat it. Just make sure all the flour is all covered on your chicken, okay? So I only have one chicken to coat, guys, as you can see. So I'm just gonna carry on with the same process, okay? So now I'm gonna fry my chicken. This is the fun part. So as you can see, guys, I have a pot on the stove and to my pot I add some vegetable oil. Just add enough oil to your pot, guys, so the chicken will cover it in the oil, okay? So as you can see, my oil is hot. So guys, make sure your stove is on a medium to low heat, okay? Because you don't want your chicken to fry it on the outside and inside is not cooked, okay? So make sure your stove is not turned up high. And I'm gonna fry my chicken for at least 10 minutes on each side, okay? So now I'm gonna turn my chicken. So guys, make sure you don't overcrowd your pot with chicken, okay? Add at least 4 chicken. That's perfect. So guys, just look at my chicken. It is so nice and so golden, just perfect. That's exactly how I want it. And you know what you can do, guys? Make sure you just give an eye on your chicken and you just can turn it. You can turn it every 2 minutes or so, just in case it doesn't burn, okay? So my chicken has fried. So now I'm just gonna remove it as soon as possible. And guys, make sure you have a cooling rack on the side, okay? So your chicken will remain crispy. So wait for your oil to heat up back, then you can add your remaining chicken, okay? So guys, I'm gonna share this trick with you. As you can see, that's my bowl right there, and I still have some of my flour mixture. So sometime when you leave the chicken like too long, you can see the chicken peeping out. So what I do, I just leave my flour mixture and I just continue to coat my chicken, okay? So you guys can try that also. Yeah. So my chicken has fried, so now I'm gonna remove it. So guys, I'm just adding my last batch of chicken that's left. So finally, all my chicken has fried. So now I'm just gonna remove it. So guys, now I'm gonna make my sauce for my chicken. So here I add at least 1 cup of mango juice to my bowl right there. And I also gonna add half cup of ketchup. And I'm gonna also add, guys, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 spoonful of sugar, okay? Then you want to give it a stir. Just make sure everything is all combined. So guys, as you can see, I have my pot there on the stove, and my stove is on a medium heat. So now I'm just gonna add all my liquid to my pot. And guys, you're just gonna allow it guys to simmer down. You're gonna allow it to get thickened up, okay? And you can always taste to your liking. If it need any more sugar, any more seasoning, salt, you can always add. So guys, before I allow it to simmer down, I'm gonna add at least 1 spoonful of hot pepper sauce. It is totally optional, but you can always add some, okay? Not a lot, just a bit. Then you just wanna stir it, just make sure it is all combined. So my sauce is simmering down. As you can see, it looks so good. So guys, I'm gonna add some honey to my sauce. I'm gonna add at least 1/4 cup of honey, okay? Then you wanna give it a stir. Just make sure it is all combined. So guys, the honey is gonna make your chicken to be nice and sticky. So that's the reason why I added some honey to my sauce. It's gonna make the chicken taste absolutely delicious. So finally guys, my sauce is ready, and as you can see, it is nice and thick and it is so perfect. That's exactly how you want it. I cannot wait for that sauce to go all over on my chicken. I'm telling you, that sauce, it tastes so good. This recipe guys is a must try. It is really good. So guys, this is the funner part. As you can see, I've got my chicken right there in my bowl, and I've got my sauce right on the side. So now I'm just gonna take my brush and just brush all that delicious sauce all over on my chicken. Guys, please make sure you share this video to your families, to your friends. I will really appreciate guys, and all over on your social media. And please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for many more delicious videos like these. Okay? Guys, you can serve your chicken with some rice, with some fries, with some mashed potato, with some salad, or you can just have it on its own. I'm telling you, it's still gonna taste delicious. I serve mine with some rice and some steamed cabbage on the side, and it was super delicious. So my chicken is all coated guys, and I'm telling you, it tastes absolutely delicious. This right here is food prawn. This recipe guys, you guys have to try it. It is really good. I've give this recipe 10 out of 10. It's better than any takeout you'll ever have. Guys, make sure you make this for your friends and your family. Trust me, them are gonna love it. Them are gonna love it. It turn up. It tastes so, 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 so good. So guys, I'm gonna taste some of my chicken for you guys just before I go. And I'm telling you, it is so, so, so good. The chicken is just nice and crispy and crunchy. I'm telling you, it tastes so good. And the chicken, as you can see, it is fully cooked. It is so juicy. It is so perfect. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling, cause God is always on your side. Bye guys. Love ya. Stay blessed.